Welcome back to Garden Bound. Have you ever wanted to transform your plain fence into a vibrant masterpiece that not only looks amazing but also boosts your garden's health? Today we're uncovering the top climbers and vines that can do just that. Whether you're after year-round greenery or bursts of seasonal color, we've got you covered. From evergreen favorites like English ivy to the fragrant blooms of star jasmine, these plants will turn your fence into a living canvas. Ready to elevate your garden game? Climbers and vines are plants with long, flexible stems that can climb and are rooted in the ground. They often have long branches that hang down. Vines can use other plants, rock exposures, or other supports for growth instead of investing energy in supportive tissue, which allows them to reach sunlight with less energy. Climbers and vines can add aesthetic appeal and provide privacy, but they also support local wildlife, boost biodiversity, and improve air quality. Did you know they also protect your fences from weather damage, acting as natural shields against harsh sunlight, wind, and rain? Plus, their root systems stabilize the soil, reducing erosion and maintaining your garden's structure. Let's explore the best climbers and vines for your garden. Evergreen climbers such as English ivy and star jasmine offer significant benefits for gardeners, but their characteristics and potential impacts require detailed understanding. Take English ivy, for instance. This perennial climber is known for its vigorous growth and adaptability to various conditions, from full sun to deep shade. English ivy uses aerial rootlets to cling to surfaces, making it incredibly effective as ground cover and a wall climber. However, if you have deteriorating brick or mortar, be cautious. Ivy's rootlets can exploit cracks and worsen structural damage, so regular monitoring and maintenance are essential. On the bright side, English ivy excels at reducing soil erosion and providing habitats for wildlife. Just keep in mind that it can be invasive, outcompeting native plants, and disrupting local ecosystems. Regular pruning and inspections of fences and walls can help manage its growth and prevent structural damage. Now let's talk about star jasmine. This evergreen climber not only has fragrant white flowers and glossy dark green leaves, but also uses twining stems to climb, causing less structural damage than English ivy. Star jasmine prefers sunny to partially shaded areas with well-draining soil and is relatively drought-tolerant once established. One of the joys of having star jasmine in your garden is its ability to attract pollinators like bees, contributing to your garden's biodiversity. Its dense foliage provides cover for small wildlife, and the flowers add a delightful sensory element. Make sure to provide support structures such as trellises or fences to guide its growth. Pruning after flowering will help maintain its shape and encourage bushier growth, and regular checks for pests such as aphids can prevent infestations. Choosing the right evergreen climber for your garden involves considering both aesthetic and practical implications. If you need robust coverage and ecological benefits, English ivy could be a good choice, but it requires careful management to avoid structural damage and invasive spread. On the other hand, star jasmine offers a more manageable growth habit with the added benefit of fragrant blooms, making it ideal for gardeners seeking beauty and ease of maintenance. Now what about climbers with flowers? Flowering climbers like Clematis and climbing roses are beloved for their striking blooms and ability to beautifully cover structures. To cultivate them successfully, it's important to understand their unique growth habits, benefits, and challenges. Clematis is a diverse genus known for its large, showy flowers that come in an impressive array of colors, including purple, blue, pink, red, and white. This variety allows gardeners to choose species and hybrids that perfectly complement their garden's color scheme. Clematis plants climb using leaf stems that twist around supports, and they can grow to varying heights depending on the species, from compact types suitable for small trellises to more vigorous varieties that can reach over 20 feet. What makes Clematis so captivating are its stunning flowers, capable of creating a dramatic visual impact. With over 300 species and numerous hybrids, there's a Clematis for almost every garden setting, whether it be full sun, partial shade, or different soil types. Their long blooming period, often extending from late spring to early fall, ensures a prolonged display of color. However, Clematis requires proper support and training to climb effectively, necessitating the installation of trellises, arbors, or other structures. Pruning is also essential, but can be complex, as different species and hybrids have specific pruning needs based on their blooming habits. Incorrect pruning can result in reduced flowering or poor plant health. Additionally, Clematis is susceptible to diseases such as clematis wilt, which can cause sudden wilting and dieback of the plant. Climbing roses are renowned not just for their beauty, but also for their often intoxicating fragrance. These roses produce long, arching canes that can be trained to climb structures such as fences, trellises, and pergolas. They bloom in various colors, including red, pink, white, yellow, and orange. Many varieties are known for their delightful scent, which can greatly enhance the sensory experience of a garden. The main appeal of climbing roses lies in their stunning flowers, which can create a romantic and classic garden atmosphere. The pleasant scent of many climbing rose varieties adds an additional layer of enjoyment. These roses can provide a continuous display of blooms from late spring through fall with proper care. They are also versatile in garden design, suitable for creating vertical interest and covering unsightly structures. However, climbing roses require regular pruning to maintain their shape, encourage healthy growth, and promote flowering. This can be labor-intensive, especially for novice gardeners. They also need sturdy support structures to climb, which must be installed and maintained. Climbing roses are prone to pests and diseases such as aphids, black spot, and powdery mildew. Regular monitoring and treatment are necessary to keep the plants healthy and looking their best. Choosing the right flowering climber for your garden involves balancing the aesthetic benefits with the practical considerations of care and maintenance. Clematis offers a wide variety of colors and a long blooming period, but requires specific pruning and support. Climbing roses provide beautiful, fragrant flowers and are ideal for creating vertical interest, but they demand regular pruning and can be susceptible to pests and diseases. Fast-growing climbers such as honeysuckle and passionflower are excellent choices for gardeners looking to quickly cover fences, trellises, and other structures. These plants offer rapid growth and attractive flowers, but they also come with specific maintenance needs and potential challenges. Honeysuckle is a popular climbing plant known for its vigorous growth and fragrant tubular flowers that attract pollinators like bees and hummingbirds. This plant can rapidly cover fences and arbors, making it an excellent choice for those seeking quick coverage and a lush, green backdrop. Honeysuckle varieties come in various colors, including yellow, white, and red, and they thrive in full sun to partial shade conditions. One of the main advantages of honeysuckle is its fast growth, which allows gardeners to achieve quick coverage of large areas. This makes it ideal for creating privacy screens or beautifying unsightly structures. The flowers are not only visually appealing, but also emit a sweet fragrance that can enhance the sensory experience of a garden. Additionally, honeysuckle is relatively easy to grow and can tolerate a range of soil types. However, honeysuckle can become invasive if not properly managed. Its vigorous growth habit means it can quickly spread beyond its intended area, potentially choking out other plants. Regular maintenance, including pruning and monitoring for overgrowth, is necessary to keep honeysuckle under control. In some regions, certain species of honeysuckle are considered invasive, so it's important to choose non-invasive varieties and stay vigilant about its growth. Passionflower is renowned for its exotic, intricate flowers that feature a unique structure and vibrant colors. This fast-growing climber can quickly cover fences and trellises, adding a tropical touch to any garden. Passionflower varieties produce stunning flowers that come in shades of purple, blue, white, and pink, making them a focal point in the garden. The plant thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, and it can grow rapidly, reaching significant heights within a single growing season. The appeal of passionflower is its visually striking and exotic-looking flowers, which can serve as a conversation piece in any garden. The plant's fast growth rate makes it an excellent choice for quickly creating green walls or covering structures. Additionally, some passionflower species produce edible fruit, adding a functional aspect to their beauty. The flowers also attract pollinators, contributing to the ecological health of the garden. Like honeysuckle, passionflower can be invasive in some regions, spreading aggressively if not properly contained. It requires regular pruning and maintenance to prevent it from overtaking other plants. In cooler climates, passionflower may need winter protection, as it can be sensitive to frost. Gardeners in these areas might need to take extra steps, such as mulching or using protective covers to ensure the plant's survival through the colder months. Fast-growing climbers like honeysuckle and passionflower offer the dual benefits of rapid coverage and attractive blooms. However, their vigorous growth requires diligent management to prevent invasiveness and ensure they coexist harmoniously with other garden plants. By understanding their growth habits and maintenance needs, gardeners can successfully incorporate these dynamic climbers into their garden landscapes. Lastly, edible climbers such as grapevines and kiwi vines are excellent additions to any garden, providing both aesthetic appeal and delicious homegrown fruits. These plants serve dual purposes by offering attractive foliage and producing edible yields, but they also come with specific care requirements and challenges. Grapevines are versatile climbers known for their lush foliage and the production of juicy grapes. These vines can cover large areas, such as fences and trellises, with their sprawling growth habit. Grapevines produce clusters of grapes that can be used for fresh eating, juicing, and winemaking, adding both beauty and functionality to a garden. They thrive in sunny locations with well-drained soil, making them suitable for various climates, although they perform best in regions with warm summers. One of the main advantages of grapevines is their dual purpose. They not only enhance the visual appeal of a garden with their attractive leaves and climbing habit, but also provide a bountiful harvest of grapes. Grapevines can be trained to grow along fences and arbors, creating natural, edible screens that offer privacy and shade. The fruits are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, making them a healthy addition to the garden. Grapevines require regular pruning and training to ensure optimal growth and fruit production. Without proper management, they can become unruly and less productive. Pruning helps maintain the structure and health of the vine, promoting better air circulation and sunlight penetration. Additionally, grapevines have specific climate needs, with certain varieties better suited to particular regions. They require a period of winter dormancy, making them less suitable for tropical climates. Ensuring the right conditions for grapevines can be challenging, but is crucial for successful cultivation. Kiwi vines are vigorous climbers known for their unique, fuzzy fruits and attractive heart-shaped leaves. These vines can grow extensively, requiring sturdy support structures to accommodate their weight and spread. Kiwi vines produce fragrant flowers in spring, followed by the development of kiwi fruits, which ripen in late summer to early autumn. They prefer sunny locations with well-drained soil and benefit from a sheltered position to protect them from strong winds. Kiwi vines produce delicious and nutritious kiwi fruits. These fruits are high in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Kiwi vines also offer visual appeal with their lush foliage and ornamental flowers. They can create attractive green walls or cover fences, adding both beauty and functionality to the garden. Additionally, the vines can act as a natural shade provider during the summer months. Kiwi vines require a sturdy support structure due to their vigorous growth and the weight of the mature fruits. Building a robust trellis or pergola is essential to support the vines and prevent damage. Additionally, kiwi vines take several years to mature and start producing fruits, requiring patience and long-term commitment from the gardener. They also need regular pruning to maintain their shape and encourage fruit production. Proper care and maintenance are crucial to successfully grow and harvest kiwi fruits. Edible climbers like grapevines and kiwi vines offer the combined benefits of attractive foliage and bountiful fruit production. However, their vigorous growth habits and specific care requirements necessitate careful planning and maintenance. By understanding their needs and providing the right conditions, gardeners can enjoy the beauty and rewards of these versatile plants in their garden landscapes. Whether you choose evergreen varieties like English ivy and star jasmine, flowering climbers such as clematis and climbing roses, or fast-growing options like honeysuckle and passionflower, each plant brings unique characteristics and care requirements. For those looking to combine beauty with utility, edible climbers like grapevines and kiwi vines are excellent choices. By understanding the specific needs and benefits of each type of climber, you can select the best plants to transform your garden into a lush, vibrant haven. Happy gardening!